Mastering English. Adjective prepositional phrases and modifiers unleashed. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating topic within English grammar: adjective prepositional phrases. More specifically, we're going to delve into combining adjective prepositional phrases with other modifiers. This will help you enrich your English sentences and make your conversations or writings even more expressive. An adjective prepositional phrase acts like an adjective, giving us more information about a noun or pronoun in a sentence. For example, in the sentence, "The girl with the blue hat is my sister," with the blue hat, is an adjective prepositional phrase describing the noun, girl. Before we can combine adjective prepositional phrases with other modifiers, we need to understand what these other modifiers are. They could be adjectives, adverbs, participle phrases, infinitive phrases, or even other prepositional phrases. They help give more detail to the sentence. For example, in "The quickly running boy fell," quickly is an adverb modifying running. Now, let's see how we can use an adjective prepositional phrase and other modifiers in the same sentence to add more detail. Consider the sentence, "The girl with the blue hat is my sister." We could add an adjective to describe the girl more. "The young girl with the blue hat is my sister." Here, young is an adjective describing the girl. We can also use an adverb to modify the adjective. "The very young girl with the blue hat is my sister." Here, very is an adverb that modifies the adjective, young. Finally, let's add an infinitive phrase. "The very young girl with the blue hat is my sister, eager to learn new things." Here, to learn new things is an infinitive phrase that provides additional information about the girl. We have now covered the exciting topic of combining adjective prepositional phrases with other modifiers. By using this method, you can enhance your sentences and make your English more nuanced and detailed. Remember, practice is key when it comes to mastering English grammar. I hope this video has been helpful. See you in our next session. Happy learning, everyone!